Introducing the O'Pen 3, a writing tool with 4 lights in one, made to improve your efficiency. Switch between lighting modes seamlessly to enjoy the exact illumination you need. The ultimate writing tool for you to handle your tasks with ease in any environment. Engineered with attention to every detail. Brand new refill for an incredible writing experience. Spring-loaded pen clip for easy access whenever you need it. Write, light, enlighten. The O'Pen 3 goes beyond. It simplifies your work, shapes your inspiration, so you achieve more.